Widespread rain and storms are set to intensify over much of eastern Australia, and there is a potential for destructive winds, giant hail and flooding. Let's take a look at the severe weather warnings. And a severe weather warning has been issued for the New South Wales south coast, south of about Nowra, for heavy rainfall and damaging winds. And rainfall will pick up from early Wednesday morning, and there is the potential for 6-hourly totals of up to 150 millimetres, leading to flash flooding and damaging winds in excess of 90 kilometres an hour, mostly along the coastal fringe south of around Moruya Heads. And more broadly across eastern Australia, we are expecting widespread rain and storms in coming days, all the way from southern Queensland and into southern Victoria. We have issued a number of flood watches. For New South Wales, that's the potential for minor to moderate flooding for catchments including the Peel and Namoi rivers. And in Victoria, minor to isolated major flooding through the Otways and eastern districts. So if you or someone you know is in one of these areas, be sure to share this update and be across the latest information and warnings. So how will the next few days play out? We get a snapshot for what's expected by looking at this thunderstorm outlook map. Areas in the green contours show where thunderstorms are possible to likely, but it's these areas in yellow and red are where, if a thunderstorm does form, may turn severe, which may require a severe thunderstorm warning. For the rest of Tuesday, we'll see conditions ease after flooding and disruptions in Adelaide, severe thunderstorms contracting east of about Murray Bridge, but continuing for places like Mildura, Ivanhoe, and up towards northeastern parts of New South Wales. On Wednesday, we see that severe thunderstorm risks extend to the coast, taking in Brisbane, Sydney and Canberra. But it's this area here in yellow and red which will be the focus of severe weather, and particularly this area in red through parts of southern Queensland and northern New South Wales. This is where we could see destructive winds of more than 125 kilometres an hour, as well as giant hail. And this includes places like Toowoomba, Dalby, Moree and Tamworth. So putting this all together, we can have a look at the accumulated rainfall over the next few days. We can see on Tuesday that early morning rain through Adelaide, but into the afternoon and the evening, we see the low pressure system moving into New South Wales, rainfall easing through South Australia, but picking up through much of the rest of the east of the country. Into Wednesday morning, as that low progresses east, rain picks up across the New South Wales south coast, and then intensifies as the system continues to move out into the Tasman Sea. Conditions will ease late Thursday into Friday, but in particular in Victoria, at this stage, the model is putting the heaviest falls east of about Bairnsdale, but the totals will depend on how this low pressure system moves. So with widespread rain and potentially dangerous conditions upcoming, be sure to have the latest information from the Bureau's website or the app, follow all advice from local emergency services, and please stay safe.